This was the very first juice recipe I made few years ago when I started my juicing journey, and it has become my favorite juice recipe since then because I love to keep my homemade juice recipes very simple and easy. So for this juice recipe, you only need carrots and oranges. I normally call this my skin glow juice because carrots are rich in beta-carotene, which supports skin health and immunity, while oranges contain vitamin C, which is a powerful antioxidant that helps to boost the immune system. The vitamin C in oranges also helps to promote collagen production for healthy skin. So these two ingredients, when combined together, they help to promote healthy, glowing skin and may also help to reduce the signs of aging. And if you're just starting out in your juicing journey but you're not sure of the ingredients or the fruits to combine, please check out the link in my description box to download my free 3-ingredient juice recipe for beginners. In there, you will find juice recipes that are easy, simple to follow, and they're also very beginner friendly. So that's where you don't get overwhelmed in your juicing journey.